Everyone is responsible to protect our living environment. But so many people often walk on the grass in order to saving life and walking fast. See, there is a guy gonna walk on the grass. Why he stopped and turned around to walk on the path? Does he realize something wrong? No, just because the PR motion sensor speak reminding him
to care plants, keep off the grass.
PIR motion sensor speak is widely used in everywhere, like supermarket, shop, factory, metro station, and so on.
Thank you for coming. Welcome back.
For the old people and children, it's easy to tumble due to the wet floor. It can remind the people walking slowly to keep safe. In the beautiful riverside, many people like taking photos, but the unexpected accident happens sometimes as the lack of protection. PIR motion sensor speak reminding lovers to far away from the riverside car bars for safety.
Depth of danger. Please pay attention to safety.